What's up guys, what is happening? The market is green. If you look on weekly time frame on the bubbles, you will see everything going towards the upside right now. I've got two reasons on why the market is going up, and obviously we are trading with proper levels, proper risk management, and our style is obviously killing it in the markets. All you need to do is, guys, stick with me for 7 to 8 minutes. If you enjoy the video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. Without wasting any time, let's go. This is the situation in the market right now, guys, where everything is going towards the upside. All the altcoins are green. AI and meme coins are the best performers, but other narratives are picking up steam as well. Now, two big dark clouds in the market are gone. First was the MSCI versus MSTR situation. I'm going to talk about this. Second is the US session selling. So let's go with the US session selling first. There was every single day, there was US session selling going on. As soon as the clock hits 10 a.m. ET, which is Eastern time, there was selling going on in US, and it was not less than 4 to 5%, which was a massive range. This was suppressing the price towards the downside, but now the US session selling is actually over. We can see on Velo as well how US session has stopped selling, and US is one of the best performers right now. Since 2nd of Jan over here, you can see how the price in the US session has been going towards the upside, and this is exactly what we were waiting for. The large entity who was selling Bitcoin every single day when the clock hit 10 a.m. is now over, and that is what we want. Now the second dark cloud, guys, which is gone. Remember when MSCI said that MSTR and other DATs will not be included in the passive indices? Yes, and that is why people were scared that there will be forced selling of MicroStrategy, which will eventually bring the price of Bitcoin down. But yesterday, MSCI came in and confirmed that DATs, including MicroStrategy and BMNR, will remain in the MSCI index until Feb 2026 review. This is bullish, and which is why the polymarket odds of MicroStrategy getting delisted from MSCI index by March 31st have gone down from 80% to 3%. This is a bullish thing, right? It should be a bullish thing, but why did MicroStrategy yesterday erased all the gains that it had after the news? What happened there? There was something in the announcement as well. People missed this. MSCI will not implement increase to the number of shares now, which means that the DATs like MicroStrategy and BMNR who are buying Bitcoin and Ethereum by issuing new shares, those new shares won't be reflected in MSCI's index calculation, which means that there won't be any kind of passive buying from here whenever the company issue new shares, which was happening before. So it is a good thing that MicroStrategy is included in MSCI index, but it's not a good thing that there won't be any passive buys. Now it's confusing, I know, but the dark cloud is gone, to be honest with you, which is a good thing. Doesn't matter what happens in the market, whether the market is going towards the upside or towards the downside. We keep trading. We are traders. We make sure that we are managing our risk at every point in time. Now, guys, journaling is very important. I am literally motivating every single one of you to journal your trades. This is our journal for January 2026. We have taken a lot of trades and we have had 100% win rate until now. In December, we had losses. We will have losses in January as well, but right now we are killing it. Solana, Stranger Things, Lighter, Copper, BNB, and now I've got a limit order. I'm going to talk about more trades in the second part of the video. So stick with me for charts now. Guys, all I'm asking is to subscribe. Let's take this to 1,000 and let's take this to 5K, 10K. I don't know where, but right now my aim is 1,000. So let's go. Let's go. Now, guys, Solana trade went amazing. I'm not going to take you to a history lesson. Lighter trade went amazing. Everything is there with proofs. And now when we talk about the markets, what is going to happen in the markets from here? I'm going to quickly load this, the liquidation heat map. The liquidation heat map on 24 hours is showing that there is liquidity cluster over here at 90 to 91K level, and the price can come towards the downside. Yesterday, I talked about the liquidity cluster in the zone, which was 92K, and the price did come towards the downside. And now I'm talking about another level. I'm going to show you in the charts as well, guys. So if you look at the Bitcoin price action right now, Bitcoin is actually breaking out of this coil, this amazing coil, and Bitcoin has already tapped the resistance, which was at 94 point something K. And now, in my opinion, after looking at the liquidation heat map as well, the price can actually come towards the downside, hit that 90K level, and then start to move towards the next resistance, which is going to be 95K, and then break out towards the 100K level. Now, guys, my trade is very simple for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you the trade now. I'm going to add it to the journal as well. I'm going to tell you where to take the trade. It's Very simple. The trade is that as soon as the liquidity cluster hits at 90K, I'm going to be taking the trade at 90.2 or 90.3K. This is the trade. I'm going to put the long position as well over here so that you understand. This is the trade for me. I'm going to be running this trade for 100K until 100K. We'll obviously be taking profits in the middle, but this is what I'm looking for. My stop loss is going to be more than 2.5% for sure, because there is a lot of volatility in the US sessions right now. So the price can come towards the downside, but this is the trade. It's breakout of the coil, come back for a retest, take all the liquidity which is there, take all the liquidations which have been there, and then start to move towards the upside. So I'm going to add it to my log as well. I'm going to be taking this trade in Bitfunded. Bitfunded, one of the best ways to get funded, guys. I am on stage 2 right now. The link is in the description. Use that, get Bitfunded, and get funded for yourself. It's now coming to Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the best charts right now, in my opinion, because what happened here is it actually broke out of this ascending triangle. I couldn't get the trade. My trade was pretty simple at this level, but I couldn't get the trade. It actually front ran me, but that's okay. What I'm seeing right now is I believe that the price is going to come towards the downside. Why is the price going to come towards the downside? Is because it's creating a massive bearish divergence right now, wherein the price is making new highs and RSI is not making new highs. So in my opinion, Ethereum is going to come down like Bitcoin, where I said that Bitcoin is going to come down to 90K. Ethereum, in my opinion, should come down to around 3000 or 3050 level. I'm not giving this as a trade. I'm just showing you the chart that I believe Ethereum should come down as well. Now, one trade I want to give you guys is Zcash. Zcash is one of the best performing tokens in Q4 2025, and right now as well, it's doing really good. We had a massive trade in Zcash last month, and now I think it's going to be a repeat trade, which is this massive ascending triangle broke towards the upside, never came back down for the retest, and now in my opinion it's going to come down for a retest to this yellow box, and my trade is going to be very simple. My trade is going to be at $450, and I'm going to take this trade at 620 until 620, and my stop loss is going to be around 3 to 4%, right? The leverage on this has to be very low. The leverage has to be low because there will be a lot of volatility when the price comes towards this level. So this is going to be my trade. I'm going to be taking profits in the middle. Let's actually make the profit a little bit less, which is 25%, so that our risk reward ratio becomes 5.16. This is what I'm taking. This is my next trade, guys. Zcash. Look at it, screenshot it, properly journal this thing. This is not there on Bitfunded, but you can take it on your real account for sure. Now, moving ahead, Tau. Tau is one of the best performers right now. Why? Because AI tokens are actually doing good. AI tokens and meme coins are performing the best. And this is what happens in any kind of bull market or a mini bull run, wherein when you see altcoins going up, AI and meme coins are the best performers. Now, Tau has gone up a lot very quickly, but Tau actually will come down. In my opinion, Tau will consolidate a little bit here and then move towards the upside. So this is the level I'm looking for. The level is around $250 to $260, and this is the level I'm looking for. If you get Tau at these levels, then make sure that you're managing your risk. I can't give you levels right now, but if you have to follow my Twitter, because that is where I'm going to give you all the updates on if I'm buying Tau or not. Right now, I cannot put a limit order on this one like Zcash. Zcash is a proper limit order. This is not at the moment. All right, but make sure it's in your watch list. The next one I want to talk about is XRP. Now, I hate XRP, but it's not bad to trade XRP if the price is going towards the upside. But I am looking for a short position, to be honest with you, because if the price actually creates a double top here, it's already created one top, and if it creates a double top and comes down, consolidates, then in my opinion, this would be a really good trigger for XRP, short position, and the price can come down to $2 level. This is what I'm looking for XRP. Now, guys, one stock trade that I want to give you guys. Now, you can get this trade on Etoro, you can get this trade on Ostium as well, which is a perp dex. The link is in the description for Ostium. You can actually use that link, or don't use that link. You will get points, you can get airdrops, doesn't matter. First thing that matters is that you are taking this trade. This is a beautiful breakout of the ascending triangle on a higher time frame, 3-day time frame literally, and the price is coming towards the downside. My level to buy is $17.2, and $17.2, then I've got a stop loss of around 3% on this trade, and then the take profits are going to be manual. The first take profit is going to be around $20, the second is going to be around $23, and the final one is around $30 level. So guys, make sure that you're increasing your spectrum. You're also looking for stocks, because right now every single perp dex is giving or offering you stocks, whether it's hyperliquid, whether it's lighter, whether it's any centralized exchange as well, or Ostium. So why not take advantage of it? You are a trader, right? If you're a trader, then you can look at any chart and you can trade. If you're not a trader, I'm here to help you. I'm here to create levels for you, and I'm here to answer all your questions. Put anything in the comment section that you want to ask. All right, guys? Now, understand that this is not financial advice. Everything here is for educational purposes, and I hope your trading journey becomes better or keeps getting better. Nice.